And welcome back to Channel C4 and Haggis. I'm doing an update video for the passive income video I done a few weeks back. So I was using Honeygain, I was using Earnapp, and I'm still using Peer to Profit. And I'll start off with the worst first. So earnapp.com was not the best. I have eventually closed my account because it wasn't doing what it should do, and you can't delete it off Linux devices if you have installed it by the client, or terminal if anyone has a different use of it. So let me see if it shows me my transactions. I will blur this out. I only, after about 5 or 6 weeks constant on a fair few devices, I only got $2.97 out of it. Terrible. And on the Honeygain one, I did get a fair bit of crypto from this. So around about $7, it goes to your MetaMask dashboard. If you've got that there, you connect it to your wallet. I got about $7 in crypto from that. Again, it wasn't that great, but it still is a course of passive income that's not too bad. And now back on to the last one, which I will show you. I have had a couple of payouts. Now the reason I do like this one for Peer to Profit is you can always get paid out with your Dodge, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, Litecoin. It goes straight to your wallet. So if you're using Coinbase, you can pay straight out to your PayPal account. Now I have already had over $5 successfully paid out in Litecoin to my Coinbase Litecoin wallets. Now this one seems to be the easiest to use. As you can see, I am still running it in the background, and you can use it on multiple devices, and it looks like they are adding more support for other devices, including the older style Raspberry Pi Model 3s, which is good, and you get an easy setup how to work it. You have to install Ubuntu on it though, but it's very easy to do so. And I would recommend that if you do want to install it, please, if you can, follow the link for my referral. It would help myself and help the channel. Again, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, as it again helps the channel, and a wee thumbs up. Even leave a wee comment to see if you don't want to see this content, if it's rubbish, if it's great. Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what I would like to ask from you today. This is my referral code. I will pop it in the video description below. I'm not going to keep this one too long, as this is all I need to say. Don't use Honeygain, don't use Earnapp, but use Peer to Profit. I'm using this on my, at the minute, I've got a, it says Windows computer, but it's my Linux computer and my MacBook Air. MacBook Pro, my apologies. And the other devices was my old miners that are no longer mining, as I have an ASIC miner in place of that just now. But in this last, I'd say about 8 days, this is what I've made. So this is much more profitable alongside mining at the same time. So definitely I will continue to use Peer to Profit. And yes, it's very, very easy to use. And please click the link in description. I'm not being paid to promote this service. I'm just showing you what works for me, and very easy. Thanks again. Into the next one.